Hey snack lovers, welcome back to Taste the Globe, the place where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time. Hey foodies, welcome to Taste the Globe, where we celebrate all International Food Days. Today, we raise a glass to tradition, craftsmanship, and a drink that stood the test of time. Welcome to National Scotch Day, celebrated every July 27th. Whether you're a connoisseur or just curious, this is your day to sip, learn, and appreciate the legendary spirit that is Scotch whiskey. Scotch whiskey, or simply Scotch, is a whiskey made in Scotland, aged in oak barrels for at least 3 years, and distilled primarily from malted barley. But not all Scotch is created equal. There are 5 official types: single malt, single grain, blended malt, blended grain, blended Scotch whiskey. Each has its own flavor profile, from smoky and peaty to smooth and fruity. Scotch whiskey's roots trace back to the 15th century, where monks in Scotland first began distilling it as aqua vitae, the water of life. Over the centuries, Scotch became embedded in Scottish identity, from Highland clans to royal courts. It was legally recognized in 1909 and protected by law to preserve its quality and heritage. You don't need to be an expert to enjoy Scotch. Here are 3 simple ways to appreciate it. Neat, room temperature, no ice. Best for high-end single malts. With a drop of water, helps open up aromas and soften the alcohol. On the rocks. Perfect if you're easing into the Scotch world. You can also try it in cocktails like a Rob Roy or penicillin, but true enthusiasts say the best way to drink Scotch is the way you enjoy it most. Here are some great ways to celebrate National Scotch Day, July 27th, whether you're a seasoned whiskey enthusiast or just exploring. Explore a Scotch you've never had before, maybe a single malt from Islay, a Highland blend, or a Speyside classic. Visit a liquor store or whiskey bar with a diverse selection. Host a Scotch tasting. Invite friends for a small at-home tasting. Provide 3 to 5 types of Scotch, tasting cards, water, and light snacks. Discuss the differences in aroma, flavor, and finish. Visit a whiskey bar. Head to a local bar or pub known for its Scotch selection. Ask the bartender for recommendations and try something new or rare. Watch a documentary or read about the history of Scotch whiskey. Great starting points. Scotch, The Golden Dream, film, books like Whisky, The Manual, or Peat, Smoke and Spirit. Cook with Scotch. Use Scotch in your kitchen. Try it in recipes like whiskey glazed salmon, Scotch infused chocolate cake, whiskey sauce over steak or haggis. Tour a distillery virtually or physically. Many famous Scottish distilleries offer virtual tours. Or, if you're lucky enough to be in Scotland, or near a Scotch-style distillery, go for the real thing. Share the love online. Post your Scotch pick or tasting setup on social media. Tag it with #National Scotch Day, #Scotch Whisky, #Slàinte. Gift a bottle. Surprise a friend, partner, or parent who loves whiskey with a bottle of Scotch, especially one they've never tried. Make a classic cocktail. Celebrate with a Scotch-based cocktail like Rob Roy, Scotch Manhattan, penicillin, smoky, ginger honey citrus, blood and sand, Scotch plus orange juice plus vermouth. So this National Scotch Day, maybe explore a new distillery, try a dram with friends, or visit a local bar with a deep whiskey list. Raise your glass not just to the drink, but to the passion and patience behind every bottle. Here's to history, heritage, and that perfect pour. Slàinte Mhath. That's cheers in Scottish Gaelic.